What's biohacking? Well, it's all about making small changes to your daily routine to help you live a healthier and better life. Think of it like upgrading your life with tiny tweaks. And don't worry, it's not complicated. Let me break it down for you. Number 1. Optimize your sleep routine. Getting enough sleep is super important. Most people need around 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. It's essential for energy, focus, and digestion. Exposing yourself to sunlight, especially in the morning, can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to wake up and fall asleep at night. Just 10 to 20 minutes of sunlight exposure can make a big difference. So take a walk outside or simply stand by a window. Try intermittent fasting to reset your metabolism and improve insulin sensitivity. These can include swapping white rice for brown rice, sugary drinks for water or electrolyte drinks, and processed snacks for fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 minutes of walking every hour. This can help you cultivate positive emotions, improve your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. You can use this time to stretch your legs, clear your mind, and come back to your work feeling refreshed. The blue light emitted from screens can interfere with your sleep. So instead, read a book, take a bath, or spend time with loved ones. These small changes can add up to big results. There are different methods, but 2 popular ones are 12-12 fasting, where you fast for 12 hours, and eat within a 12-hour window, or 16 to 8. Fasting, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. Remember, small changes, big results. So why not start today and see how these tiny tweaks can make a big difference in your life? You can track your water intake with an app or simply carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. But if you're feeling tired during the day, try taking a quick 20-minute nap. Inhale deeply through your nose, counting to 5, then exhale slowly through your mouth. You can do this anywhere, anytime, to boost your energy and focus. Just make sure it's early in the afternoon, so you can still get a good night's sleep. Number 2, hydration hacks. Number 3, cold showers. Taking cold showers can actually boost your energy levels and improve your mood. The cold water triggers a release of adrenaline and noradrenaline, which are hormones that increase alertness and focus. So next time you step into a shower, turn down the temperature and challenge yourself to stay under the cold water for at least a minute. Number 4, morning sunlight. Number 5, mindful breathing. Practice deep breathing exercises to reduce stress and increase oxygen in your body. Number 6, intermittent fasting. Number 7, nutrition tweaks. Make simple nutrition tweaks to support your energy levels and overall health. Number 8, walking breaks. Incorporate walking breaks into your day to improve circulation, boost your mood, and increase productivity. Number 9, gratitude practice. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Number 10, digital detox mini hack. Take a break from your devices at least 1 hour before bedtime. And there you have it, Speedy. 10 simple biohacks for a better you.